101 piece.
Yeah, 101. Yeah.
So expensive.
Ikumi, sorry, sir. You want you request ka Ikumi?
Assorted. Ma'am Jen.
Nito?
Ma'am Jen. Isa lang lang.
Ha? Ihugot mo nga ako ng 100 na eh. Baka kung anong mang... Uy, kakaintay ng insekto, guys! Ayan, bayaran mo si ate. Hindi, bibigay ko doon. Unod na ba yan? Oh my god, the insects! Is it safe? Is it organic? Is it organic? Is it safe?
Yeah, safe food. Safe food and yummy.
ขอบคุณครับขอบคุณเข้ามาแล้วผม
Hawakan mo. Hoy, nasa kanya harap. Nasa kanya nakaharap. Ayan. Oh, so yummy.